Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to actually installing a cup holder cover for my Acura TL. My old one broke off and I bought one from eBay, and I will show you guys what I'm talking about. See, there's a cover here that it's a lid that goes over it. I mean, it's not really a big deal, but you know, sometimes it's good to have. But this product I bought on eBay. This came from China. I saw another person that actually used this. It came from like a Land Rover. It doesn't come with the TL, like it's not a part number for the TL, but it will fit, and I'm just gonna be replacing it. So the first step you guys have to do is you're gonna have to take this cover out. So you're just gonna use a trim tool piece on both sides, and once you have it out, there are some screws on the bottom here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'll be right back. All right, so I got the trim panels removed. So you can see here, there's a screw right there. There's 4 screws right here, one right there, one on the side, and 2 over there, and then there's 2 screws inside the console. So you gotta have to take all of them out to remove the console to replace this. So I'm gonna be right back. All right, so once you remove all the screws, you just gonna have to shift this up a little bit out, and then this comes out, and now you're able to get to the actual cup holder. So I'm gonna flip this around. So in order to remove the actual screws, there's 3 screws on top. So there's one right here, one over here, and one over here. So you remove those screws, and then it will come out. The top cover will come out, because you just want to do the top cover. You don't want to take out the cup holders. So I'll be right back. All right, so I got the top part cut out for you guys, and now the cover here, this is all the way back, so it doesn't cover the whole cup. Actually, it doesn't go all the way, so there is a issue where, you know, you might have a big drink and it's gonna be stuck, or you're not able to get it through. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna cut probably 7 blocks. That's why I counted from the bottom, because you can see here, this is it's like blocking, like that's the most it will go. I know you guys can see or not, but yeah, this is the most it will go. So I'm going to trim that so it can be more flush against this piece here, so you know it's not blocking the actual cup holder. So I'm gonna be right back. All right guys, so this is what it looks like closed. So I actually cut 3 blocks, if someone is wondering. So you just need 3 I guess strips to be removed, so this will fit better, and when you slide the actual cover down, it won't block the cup holder as much. Okay, once you're done, this is what it looks like. You just gotta put out the screws back all together, all those screws that we took out, including the one in the glove compartment, and now the cover is fixed. So now you can hide your drinks, or you put anything in here, and or if, you know, can of soda, probably you can hide a can of soda too down here. And that's about it. That's a pretty simple process. You know, just have to order the product, the cover, and a few screws, and you can just replace it, because this is actually common for the TL models. From what we're reading, is these usually break easily, and that's why sometimes you see the covers missing. All right, so that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see ya.